Creo Parametric makes it simple to modify features of a model by allowing you to determine how you'd like to make the changes. For example, while in edit mode, you can drag a handle to control a feature like an extrusion. You can select any open arrow, which can be easily identified by the way because they're white, and drag it to edit the sketch or section. You can even grab and drag the center of the sketch to a new location, or move the sketch entity itself to edit its size. Creo Parametric also speeds up the design process and enhances your interaction with the model through automatic, real-time regeneration of features as you make changes. Even the children of features are updated automatically for you. As you can see on the back of this model, as the depth of the extrusion or the size of the section is changed, the round placed on the edge is also updated in real time. There may be cases with complex models that require you to turn off automatic regeneration, or situations where you want to edit the dimensions of several features before regenerating the model. Auto Regenerate can be turned on or off by selecting or deselecting Auto Regenerate from the pop-up menu while a feature is being edited. While turned off, dimensions for multiple features can be edited without updating the geometry until you click Regenerate from the Quick Access toolbar. It can be turned back on the same way. Auto Regenerate allows you to immediately see the impact of your design changes in a real-time dynamic fashion, helping you to try out new ideas and make faster design decisions.